This compact, smaller than an A4 sheet water filtration system, weighs just 6.4 kilograms. Driven on a car-grade built-in battery, this gadget filters up to 140 liters of water every charge. Outlets, solar panels, or even the cigarette lighter of a car will let you re-energize it. Uija improves water with magnesium, zinc, and other good minerals. It does not only clean. Perfect for filtering rust, germs, and heavy metals, it is a must-have for portable clean water. Costing $249, this is a convenience and health investment. For owners of electric cars, this charger marks a revolution. This solar gadget put on a roof provides extra 48 kilometers of daily driving range. Small and quick, it sets up in only a minute and has already become somewhat well-known, drawing $2 million in pre-orders in 45 days. GoSun offers a clever, environmentally beneficial substitute, while metropolitan regions struggle with EV charging facilities. Ideal for city commutes or road trips, this creative idea shows how solar energy can help to promote green mobility. The combines into a breakthrough tent, comfort, ease of use, and adaptability. At $791, it combines a buoyant design air mattress, suited for lounging on aquatic surfaces with its air pump doubles as a lamp and a 15,600 mAh battery bank, and setup takes just minutes. AirNest provides unmatched peace and simplicity, whether your vacation is sitting by a lake or camping. For enthusiastic adventurers, this quick inflate super tent really enhances outdoor experiences and justifies every dollar. Turns fire starting into a modern experience. It burns coal or wood in under 60 seconds using configurable burn modes ranging from 649 degrees Celsius. Turn to air mode, and it becomes a useful blower. Convenience and efficiency abound from electric and rechargeable single charges powering 10 uses. Perfect for grilling or quiet fireplace evenings, this $347 lighter is small yet mighty. With this creative multifarious tool, bid matches and lighter fluid fare well. The self-healing polymer of Cidetec realizes science fiction. At ambient temperature, this amazing material fuses 97% of its structure in 2 hours. Its flexible yet strong, gummy candy-like quality is perfect for industrial building and automotive uses. Imagine a material that fixes itself, therefore lowering waste and improving durability. This creativity brings us one step closer to developing technologies once only found in films like Terminator 2. Your perfect outdoor friend, AllGearPro, offers adaptability mixed with ease. With a 30,000 mAh battery bank, 3 speed settings for the fan, a mosquito repellent, a lamp, and Bluetooth speaker, this little 2.4 kilogram gadget is AllGearPro, improves your pleasure, whether your activities are camping, hiking, or beach relaxation with its considerate features. Designed for adventurers looking for ease in a portable packaging, this dependable, reasonably priced gadget runs at just $99. The virtual and actual worlds flow naturally. It scans and recreates areas in amazing clarity using a smartphone app and VR headgear. One can explore these virtual worlds from homes to streets. Modern tool for immersive virtual experiences, accessible with iPhone 12 Pro and later smartphones. Varjo's creativity redefines our virtual interaction with real-world environments, both for gaming and professional needs. Its hyper-realistic simulator transforms train driver instruction. With genuine train cabins, tangible controls, and dynamic surroundings, this system reproduces real-world situations, including rain, fog, and underground tunnels. AI systems examine performance and provide priceless comments to new hires. SimSoft guarantees thorough, hands-on training for urban rail, as well as subways. Aspiring drivers will find this innovative solution, which combines virtual and real components into an immersive learning environment. Outdoor movie evenings would be ideal for the tough portable projector the BenQ GS50 is. Its shock resistance and splash-proof shell guarantee longevity. Full HD resolution guarantees crisp images. It provides a cinematic experience wherever with built-in speakers and automatic brightness adjustment. Short films would find a single charge perfect, since it runs for 2.5 hours. For movie buffs looking for quality on the road, this is a luxury option at 2.3 kilograms and $700. Red, reinventing street cleaning with the solar-powered robotic cleaner, Solar Umba 4000. Designed by Freedom Solar Power, it has already shown great effectiveness on Austin, Texas streets, gathering more than 91 kilograms of waste in one day. It boasts a 2-meter diameter and 600-watt solar panels. Although street cleaners could be uncomfortable, this environmentally beneficial idea provides a window into a better urban future. TacForce offers a versatile lineup of tactical knives designed for emergencies. The red-handled model features a 95mm blade, while the black version extends to 114mm. Both knives boast smooth and serrated edges, along with a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter for life-saving scenarios. The red model includes an LED light for added utility. These knives are priced at an affordable $25, making them essential tools for first responders. With the Bike Guard wiper, rainy trips are no trouble anymore. Built for motorbike visors, this creative $345 gadget has waterproof construction and a dependable brushless motor. The Aprilia racing crew has thoroughly tested it, and it runs for 15 hours every charge. The 3-year warranty guarantees quality and durability, therefore ensuring that this first really useful product of its type is worth its premium price. Regardless of the conditions, keep clearance safe on the road. The Bluetti Handsfree 2 transforms portable electricity, comprising a 60-liter capacity and a 512-watt-hour battery with 700-watt output. This creative backpack doubles as a power station. The total machine weight's just 7.5 kilograms, and solar panels produce 120 watts. Costing $599, it's perfect for remote workers and photographers since it guarantees continuous power wherever life leads. From a chic and practical backpack, charge cameras, drones, or laptops up to 10 times. The clear capsule seats of the Cidetec enhances flight travel. Attractive to those looking for an exceptional flying experience installed in the tail section of aircraft, this luxury feature provides panoramic views at premium rates. Designed with safety precautions to resist bird collisions, the design fits several aircraft. Talks with aircraft manufacturers are under progress to realize this amazing idea, hence perhaps revolutionizing air travel for luxury travelers. With the S9 Pro Bite Alarm System, bid lost fishing bites fare well. At $154, the package consists of 3 alarms and a receiver, all improved by a mobile app for tailored settings. With 10 sensitivity levels, the S9 Pro can pick line motions as little as 4 millimeters. It links to other objects like a tent light that turns on upon a bite using SmartLink technology. It is an essential friend for every angler since its amazing 150-meter range guarantees no fish escapes are missed. Using modular towers run by AI and smart hardware, ICS vertical farming technology is transforming agriculture. These creative systems cut energy use half while treble agricultural output. Rising to a height of 12 meters, the towers effectively gather condensation and apply UV sterilizing, then develop greens, cabbage, and berries. Investing $54 million, ICS promises a sustainable future by combining farming and technology to solve world food needs. Modern hyperspectral analyzer Bruker HI 90 is meant to find dangerous gases far away. Operating several kilometers apart, it finds the source, extent, and chemical makeup of dangerous pollutants. Perfect for tracking industrial toxins and possible hazards, It overlays information over video footage via a built-in camera. Its 16 times per second scanning ability guarantees quick and precise results, therefore providing an essential instrument for environmental safety and security. Outdoor enthusiasts will find the Vitake portable power supply revolutionary. Its 12-watt-hour reserve, illumination, 20-watt sound system charges up to 14 devices at once. Rechargeable by solar in less than 2 hours, Vitake's modular architecture lets one scale to 10 kilowatt-hour capacity. Priced at $599, this flexible and environmentally friendly option for off-grid enthusiasts and campers looking for dependable electricity on demand. Using the Pulsefire LRT flamethrower, raise the heat. As efficient for burning weeds as it is for producing a show, this unusual gadget, weighing just 2.7 kilograms, blasts flames up to 7.6 meters. Cost $630. It became well known after the governor of South Dakota displayed it. Whether for pure enjoyment or pragmatic application, the Pulsefire LRT presents a scorching experience unlike any other. Which technology in this video do you like the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.